If you want to know how you can adjust the ringtone volume on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and in Settings, just tap on Sounds and Haptics. And under the Ringtone and Alerts section, you will find a volume slider. Now to increase or decrease the ringtone volume, just increase or decrease the slider over here. And by decreasing the slider, you will decrease the ringtone volume on your iPhone. And if you increase the slider, you will increase the ringtone volume on your iPhone. And remember that if you increase or decrease the ringtone volume, the alerts volume will be also increased and decreased, since the slider controls the ringtone and the alerts volume. And if you want to increase and decrease the ringtone volume by using the volume buttons on your iPhone, just enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, you will be able to increase or decrease the ringtone volume by pressing the volume up and the volume down button. Just like that. And this is how you can adjust the ringtone volume on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.